Hi, first graders. This is Mrs. Tinsley. I just wanted to take a few minutes today and tell you happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a very sweet day. Also, I did want to give you guys a few reminders as well. So today's the 14th. That means that in 6 days is our work sample due date. Please make sure that you get those submitted as soon as possible. Remember, you have a math and a writing sample. Those are due on February 20th. You will go ahead and just scan and email those over to me or take a picture with the cell phone and then email that to me as well. Okay, then on February 20th, I will also assign your RazKids story. So it's not assigned yet, but it will be assigned on February 20th. You can get in there, record that story for me, answer those comprehension questions. Remember that that is due by March 1st, so you don't have a lot of time, so you need to get in there and remember to get that completed. Then please also remember that you guys are getting into extra math to practice those math facts. We want your math facts memorized by your end of first grade year. Okay, also, those of you that have been sending me your weekly fluency charts, great job. I love seeing your progress that you're making every week, so thank you and continue to send those in. And then also, I hope that I get to see everybody in on our Sight Word Challenge on Friday. I challenge you, if you have not come in and read your sight words to me. It's really important that you master those sight words, so please continue to practice them. Come in and read them for me. Once you guys finish that full 9 lists, Mrs. Tinsley has a special surprise I will mail to you. And then also each week you can record or read with us your story for the weekly passages that we've been emailing. Okay, so a lot of things I just went over. Please make sure that those work samples get in. Thanks to everybody that has already sent them in. It's been wonderful reading through these. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. And again, happy Valentine's Day. Bye, everybody.